grade 9 and 10 life learners. Indeed, moments like this remind us that school life is not only about lessons in the classroom, but also about experiences that shape who they become.
That's true, so let's keep the applause going as our life learners make their way to the stage.
Mamelu. Let's invite also on stage our directress, Ma'am Tess Barcelona, and our dear President, Sir Alvin Barcelona.
Turnover ceremonies of our beloved school, Barcelona Academy, of hatred and of disunity, be conquered by the light of Jesus, and that only pure love shall prevail among all. We rekindle the fire that burns in our hearts through this candle that we light now, as we shall now pass this on to you, grade 9.
To our grade 9 and grade 10 life learners. Congratulations! Mari lang ipan yung mga kandila na yan. Thank you so much. And you may also now return to your respective seats. Gabi. We have seen two groups of grade 9, grade 10 life learners perform for their social dances. Merong mga unique na aspeto, hindi lalo dun sa mga unang bahagi ng kanilang presentation. And of course, maganda rin makita no, na merong uniform na aspect. Napatis po tayo sa kanilang Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia, Papa Mia. Amazing indeed from our grade 9 and grade 10 life. Mula sa kanilang rehearsals, we have seen them exert effort, very gracious and elegant, all the way up to their performance, their presentation, right at this moment. So again, thank you so much and congratulations again to our life learners. And as they return to their respective seats, yan, pwede nyo i-check ulit ang inyong mga kasuotan. Baka mamaya may nalaglag na accessory, nalaglag na sapatos. So far, wala naman. Wala naman. Pero halimbawa mayroon, you can always look for your class advisor na marahil ay nakakuha na nung inyong nawala o nalaglag, nabitawang accessory para maibalik sa inyo. And after an exciting and meaningful first part of our evening, it is now time to enjoy ano? So, kung nasa iyo pa ang balota, higit lalo kung hindi pa nakakapagsulat ng iyong boto, nako, I suggest